Looking to install the latest Nvidia graphics drivers but aren't sure how? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching Nvidia Drivers Explained. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your Nvidia graphics card driver. That being said, let's jump right into it. To begin, open a web browser and download the Nvidia GeForce Experience program. Link is in the description below. Once this is downloaded, install the program. Then, after the installation is successful, simply launch the program and then click on the Drivers tab located in the top left-hand corner of the window. This will then load the Nvidia Drivers page. Here, you can click on the Check for Updates button, and if there's an update, you can choose to download and install it. As a note, during the installation process, you can choose Express Installation or Custom Installation. If you don't require any special setting modifications, Express Installation is perfectly fine. Simply click this button and let the latest Nvidia graphics driver install fully. And that's all there is to it. You've now installed the latest Nvidia driver to your computer and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.